DailyForex. This is Chris taking a look at the crude oil market. You can see the WTI, or the U.S. oil market, has initially pulled back just a bit during the trading session here on Monday, but then turned around to show signs of life. By doing so, this to me looks like we're going to try to get back to the top of this box here. If we can break above the 200-day EMA on a daily close, then I think we could have a move to 90 pretty quickly. It's probably worth noting that the lows are starting to kind of creep higher, but I don't know that we have the momentum to break out quite yet. Whether or not we do longer term, I think we probably do eventually as we head into the summer driving season. And of course, we have the Chinese reopening. Brent, same situation, got a little further to go to the 200-day EMA, the 89 to 90 level. If we break above there, then we could go to 95, maybe 98. That being said, both of these grades of oil, if we get like a shooting star or something like that at the top of the box, I'm willing to short because I do think that we pull back into this area.